There they are. Do you see them? They have Mickey Mouses and they sparkle. So I tried for the first time this new kind of nail stuff that's called dip. And you guys don't care, so I don't know why I'm talking about this. Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. So I am actually 2 days away from going to Disney World and I'm very excited, and I wanted to share my pre-Disney trip haul with you. Now if you are new here, I love sharing haul videos, tips and tricks. I've started to recently get into pins, and obviously I love to vlog my trips at Disney World, but I think the thing that I do the most is share tips and tricks with babies and toddlers and pregnancy, because I have 2 little girls who are both under the age of 3, and one is a baby, one is a toddler, and I travel often to Walt Disney World. But basically, if you enjoy that kind of content, feel free to hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would love to see you back here. All right, so let's start with clothes. So first is from this Love Mickey line at Target, and it is my daughter's dress. And so it's got this living the dream right here. It's got a cute little pocket right here. And then up on the hood, there's a little Mickey Mouse. Now I actually have a matching one for me, and I actually wore it yesterday, so it's in the washer because I bought it in time for Disney. But I think they're just gonna be a really great for like a beach cover up or something like that. I don't know, because they're not super great for nursing, and I'm nursing my younger one. I can't really wear it to the parks, but I think this is something like we'll use for the pool. Now this is another outfit from the Love Mickey line, and this is these cute little shorts. So they've got like the little Mickey down. Here are the shorts, and then this cute little shirt that says follow your heart, and it's got a little Mickey and Minnie and some palm trees, and it's just a super cute little shirt. Now for my younger one, I got her this cute little Mickey and Minnie onesie, which is perfect because I looked at the weather and it's gonna be 91 degrees and raining the whole time. So, you know what? I just love being there, and I will continue on with Target. And I actually got myself a new bathing suit that is conducive to nursing, and also, you know, I'm only 12 weeks postpartum, so just to keep me comfortable, keep me happy. It's really cute. It's got this scalloping in the front, and it's just a one piece, and it's got like, you know, just a cute little bow right there. But the best part about it is it actually clips in the back right here. So like I said, it's just really super easy for nursing. Now also from Target, these are for me, but I'm sure my daughter's gonna steal them at some point, are these glow ears. I don't know if any of you guys saw these, but I was like so excited about them. And I can't wait to wear them one night, and I will probably wear them maybe for the fireworks, because we have the fireworks dessert party, so maybe for that, but that's pretty exciting to me. Now this dress I actually got a little while ago, and it's now one of my daughter's favorites, but I did get it for this trip, and it is this Disney Collection Tutu Couture, and it's got little Tinkerbells. I don't know if you can see it, let me get it to focus, there we go. It's got little Tinkerbells all over it, and I actually got it from Marshall's. So it was like super discounted. I think it was only like $15, but this line is actually really expensive, and so I was really excited to find it, and it's like one of her favorite dresses. So moving on to Old Navy, they had some really cute Disney merchandise that was kind of like red, white, and blue, 4th of July theme. So I got her this Minnie Mouse dress, which she loves. Like I said, she prefers dresses over everything else. So I got her that. I also got her this green tutu type dress, which she's obsessed with because she likes all her tutu type dresses. And I may or may not be able to get her out of them the entire trip, but you know what? It's breathable and it's short sleeve, or not short sleeve, it's, you know, no sleeves, and so at least she'll be comfortable while we're there. I also got her this pair of shorts, and now what I really like about these shorts actually is that it's got this kind of elastic that you can unbutton and button so that it will grow with your kids. So right now she's pretty tiny, and so we've got a lot of slack on it, but as she gets bigger we'll be able to unhook it, and so these shorts grow with her. Now for my younger one, I got her this really super cute onesie. I mean, I saw it and I was like, you must have this. So she's got this really cute onesie, and like I said, it's, you know, easy for her to wear because she gets overheated really. I mean, I think newborns in general do, but I have to be extra cautious because of her heart. So just get this cute little thing. So I have just one thing from Costco, and it is a swimsuit for my daughter. So it's this Ariel, you know what, I can't remember the names of it. It's called a rash guard. So I got this, it's this top and then these bottoms. And what I like about it is, you know, they tend to be 50 SPF. And I like the two-piece ones because it's easy. My 2-year-old is still in a diaper, so it's, if I need to change her at all, it's really easy to change her rather than having to pull down a full suit. So I really like the two-piece with the rash guard, and she really likes the skirt, so that's her favorite. Now next, I have done a Toys R Us haul. It was a huge haul. I went back and got a few more things, so I will show you the couple of things that I'll be bringing on this trip for my girls. So Ruthie got a new pair of headphones, and she's been wearing them around and practicing with them, but it's nice to have them on the plane, and when she's, you know, for us it's a really long flight. It's about a 5-hour flight to Orlando, so it's really important to have. And you know, they're safe. They only go up to a certain, I think 85 is the decibel that's safe for kids' ears. So it's got like 80, it goes only up to 85, and they're kid headphones, so they're specific for her. And then we got these for Rosie, which are actually for the fireworks. And so it's just not too loud for her, and so that she's comfortable as well. So we'll see. I don't know how well these will work on a 3-month-old. I don't mean that they won't work. I just don't know how okay she will be with them. Let me be clear. So these are the other thing we got. So next are the couple of things I got from Amazon. I have been looking long and hard for a stroller fan. So it's got this clip right here, and then in the back it opens up and it's got a rechargeable battery. So the rechargeable, it just turns on like this, and the blue light goes on when it's on, and you can adjust to a really high setting. What am I, 5? Yes, I am. And then you can go to a lower setting and then off. But the nice thing about it is, number one, it charges just with this cord, just into like a plug. It's got just this USB, it's got this USB cable. And then you can actually just charge it's a lithium battery. You can actually charge it like that. Or if the battery's gone and like you don't have any more, it lasts between 2 and 6 hours depending on how much of fan volume you're using. If it doesn't, you can plug it right into like a portable phone charger. So I have a specific charger just for this fan so that we can keep going throughout the day. I know I had just talked about the weather and it's going to rain, so I got this for my double stroller. I have the Summit X3. It is very big, it is very bulky. I wish it were lighter. It's not, but that's what I have. And here is the rain cover for it. So I got the rain cover for the girls because it's gonna rain while we're there because it's summer in Florida. So I got these ears, and if you can tell, they've got the monorail on them with this cute sequined bow. And I love these ears. I think they're so perfect. And we're gonna be doing kind of a monorail crawl, like a pool crawl. I think I talked about it in my one of my videos, I'll link it above. And then also my personalized ears, if you did not catch that unboxing, I will also link that. I'll link it below because I feel like you're gonna have cards coming across. So I will link stuff. I will link these. And I will, these were done by Octostash, and I will link their Etsy store or their Instagram. I'll link their Instagram. And then these were done by Casey, and they're from Casey's Magical Corner, and I will link her Instagram as well. And basically, I will link all of these items as long as I can find them. If I can find them, I will link them for you. My incredible friend Daphne from Thomas Ever After actually purchased this for me, which was literally one of the kindest things. I unboxed it on my Instagram. Like I said, if you're not following my Instagram, go follow it because you're gonna see this stuff beforehand. But I will link Daphne's stuff. She is from Thomas Ever After. Their channel is amazing. They've got 3 kids and they do vlogs, unboxings. They do content similar to mine, but she got me this adorable Stitch backpack that I'm so excited to carry around in the parks. It is by Loungefly, which I know does a lot of Disney bags. And this is the Stitch one with the app. I'm so excited. It's perfect. It's got inside these compartments for the girls. And so it's gonna be such a great backpack to take with us. All right, so first I have glow necklaces, glow wands, and then my daughter picked out this glow butterfly. So it's like a glow butterfly wand. And I assume it's pink because they put the colors usually on the top. So this pink butterfly wand. And then she also got these 2 little glow wands, and they're these sticks that go into the handle, and then you can kind of swing them around. And then 3 packages of these glow necklaces. So she should be set for the whole trip. Next, I got coloring books. I'm not bringing all these coloring books, but I am going to let her pick which one she wants to do. Actually, this is a paint with water book. So I got this Elmo paint with water book. There is a Anna and Elsa Frozen coloring book. A Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Now this is actually the color and play book, so you can actually, you can download an app that's a color and play app, and you can make your pictures come to life, which we've done before. There is a Superman coloring book, and then a Doc McStuffins coloring book. Next are these Color Forms fun packs, and they're basically just like reusable stickers that you can create scenes with, and this is Shimmer and Shine. She loves Shimmer and Shine. And then I got her 3 play packs, which are just mini coloring books, stickers, and like 4 crayons. So I got her the Coco one. I got her the Princess one. And then I got her the Minnie Mouse one. I also got her these stickers. They're Princess. And then I also got these paper shapes, which I thought were really kind of cool. You can decorate the girl, so I'll probably bring a couple of these with us. So I have just a couple of things left. I've got this Finish Powerball Maxin one. It's dishwashing soap, you guys. They don't give you much in our 1 bedroom, so I got, this comes in a pack of 4. So this is from the Dollar Tree. I got these antibacterial wet wipes because I wipe down the plane seats and everything on the plane before we fly. And then I also got these really super cute Star Wars tissues, which are just nice to have. And they're Kleenex Slim Pack, and they said there's 10 ply white sheet. There's 10 tissues in each one of these, so total of 20. And then last is snacks. So I got these Disney Frozen gummies. And these are actually from the 99-cent only store, which I think is, I don't know, may only be in the Midwest, or may only be in the West Coast, I'm not sure. But I did get these 2 things from the Dollar Tree, which is this cranberry mix, which I love, and so this is for me. I also got these, which I also really like. If you're still with me, I hope you enjoyed this pre-Disney trip haul. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me to figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.